Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how to link your external accounts to Lendingclub. Linking external accounts allows you to see your full financial picture all in one place. So let's get into it. Now, the first step is to log into Lendingclub. So you can use the app or you can just visit Lendingclub's website and sign in with your credential. Next step is to navigate to account connections. So go to settings and then linked accounts or external accounts. Next, you're going to select the type of account that you want to link. So you can just choose from bank accounts, credit cards, or investment accounts. Next is to enter your account credentials securely. So go ahead and follow the prompts to provide your login information. Lendingclub uses encryption for security, so you don't have to worry about security access. Next is to verify the accounts. Now, some banks may require a micro deposit verification. You can check your external account and confirm the amounts. Once that's done, you want to save and review. So once linked, your external account balances and transactions are all going to appear on your Lendingclub dashboard. A pro tip, linking accounts is going to help with budgeting, monitoring cash flows, and planning loan repayments more efficiently, which makes this very useful to have. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.